All right, so I got Danny here from Unplugged Performance, and behind him is this crazy looking Model Y. Can you talk about what you did here?
Yep, so this is Upfit. Upfit is our law enforcement division at Unplugged Performance, and we build police patrol vehicles. We take the consumer spec Model Y and add things like pursuit brakes with upgraded calipers, upgraded rotors, pads, stainless steel brake lines, high temperature brake fluid to make these capable of handling pursuit duty for police officers, right? Because we've tested this extensively at our Tesla Corsa events and other track events and put the research in to make sure that these are going to stand up to those patrol conditions for a police vehicle where they're really getting some of the hardest driving out there on the road and abuse. We've done a push bar up front. We've done all the lights and sirens integration as well. Visibility for a police car when it's out on the road is very important. Inside, we've installed a lowered center console so that the officer has room for their service weapon on their hip. This is custom engineered and integrated by us as well. Let's see if we can pull this back up there. And
so are those lights right here, can they be controlled in there? It's integrated?
Correct. So everything's integrated. So that joystick in the center there controls the spotlights. So you've seen old police cars with an A-pillar hole drilled right here. That's not great for the integrity of the A-pillar in a vehicle. So instead of doing that, we have these remote controlled ones. And it's safer while the officer's driving and trying to point the lights as well. In the back here, we have the prisoner partition. This is the single prisoner partition, which is good because seldom are you transporting more than one prisoner. It's also good because then they can't roll around and try and kick things out. They're confined to a space that keeps them and the officer in the vehicle safe as well. In the back, we integrate our electronics into a cabinet right behind the seat. So everything's integrated right in there. It's nice and clean. We have a lot of other videos. You can search Upfit on YouTube and see some of our design and build details for other departments that we've deployed across the country. Currently building several hundred cars right now for agencies all around the country, including Cybertrucks as well. You'll see a lot more Cybertrucks on the road this year for police agencies around the country.
Upfit part of Unplugged?
Upfit is the parent company is Unplugged Performance. Upfit is the law enforcement division within Unplugged Performance. Yes.
All right, cool. Thank you, Danny.
Of course. Appreciate you.